The Euler HiLoad EV represents a substantial leap forward in the commercial electric three-wheeler segment, combining robust design with practical utility for daily logistics and deliveries. It builds on earlier iterations to offer improved range, payload capacity, and overall usability at a competitive price point. One of the most notable aspects of the HiLoad EV is its electric drivetrain, which delivers smooth and reliable power suited for urban use. With a peak power output of around 14.7 HP and torque of 88.55 Nm, the motor provides sufficient performance for carrying heavy loads and navigating busy streets without significant lag or strain. The battery system on the 2026 HiLoad EV is a 13 kWh lithium-ion pack equipped with liquid cooling and a thermal management system, which helps maintain performance even under prolonged use or in hot climates. This setup not only enhances longevity but also reduces the risk of overheating. Range is often a major concern with electric commercial vehicles, and Euler has addressed this by certifying up to 170 kilometers on a single charge. Real-world range can vary depending on load and driving conditions, but the generous battery capacity ensures that many operators can complete a full day's work without needing an intermediate recharge. Charging flexibility further boosts practicality. While a full charge takes about 3.5–4 hours using an AC charger, the HiLoad EV also supports DC fast charging, which can add roughly 50 kilometers of range in just about 15 minutes, a valuable feature for busy logistics operations. In terms of payload, Euler has designed the HiLoad EV to carry up to 688 kilograms, significantly above many competitors in the electric three-wheeler category. This high payload capacity makes it particularly appealing for businesses that rely on transporting goods, as each trip can carry more volume or weight. The build quality and design emphasize durability and practicality. The vehicle's robust chassis and reinforced body suit frequent loading and unloading, and components like 200 mm front disc brakes enhance control and safety, especially when fully loaded. Driver comfort and ergonomics have also been considered. Wider windshields and improved visibility help reduce strain during long working hours, and the automatic transmission makes navigating stop-and-go traffic much easier for drivers of all experience levels. From a safety perspective, features such as regenerative braking, strong braking hardware, and reliable suspension contribute to stability and predictable handling in urban environments. These design choices reduce wear on components and help maintain operational reliability over time. The HiLoad EV's software suite includes telematics and fleet tracking capabilities, allowing business owners to monitor battery health, location, and operational metrics, a useful tool for optimizing performance and maintenance. In terms of cost efficiency, switching from conventional fuel vehicles to the HiLoad EV can significantly reduce operating expenses. Electric driving eliminates diesel or petrol costs, while regenerative braking and lower mechanical complexity reduce maintenance needs. Over the life cycle of the vehicle, many operators find substantial savings. Euler has also built confidence among commercial customers by celebrating milestones such as over 1 crore kilometers logged by HiLoad EV fleets on Indian roads, with many drivers reporting sustained performance and low degradation even after heavy usage. Business-focused features like compatibility with fleet charging networks and mobile charge on wheels support services add convenience, especially in areas where dedicated charging infrastructure is still growing. Despite its strengths, there are areas where the HiLoad EV could evolve. For example, upgrading certain lighting components to LEDs or offering more advanced cabin comfort options could further enhance driver experience, especially in low-light conditions. Price remains a key consideration for many buyers. In 2026, the HiLoad EV typically ranges between roughly 3.94 lakh rupees and 4.30 lakh rupees ex-showroom, making it a serious investment for small businesses but still competitive given its capability and operational savings. Overall, the Euler HiLoad EV stands out as a robust, efficient, and practical electric cargo three-wheeler that makes strong strides toward electrifying commercial transport. Its blend of range, payload capacity, durability, and lower operating cost make it an attractive choice for businesses looking to transition away from fossil fuels and modernize their logistics fleet. If you want, I can also make it read even more like a detailed professional review for YouTube or a blog, with a bit more flair and consumer-friendly commentary. Do you want me to do that?